Imagine waking up to sales from something you didn't even create. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. I've created a digital product with 5 professionally designed, editable Google Sheets templates you can brand as your own and sell instantly. Here's a look at what's inside the bundle. 1, the monthly budget tracker. 2, the annual budget tracker. 3, the 12-month weight loss tracker. 4, the monthly habit tracker. And finally, the annual habit tracker. Each template comes in several color options, and you'll get step-by-step instructions both in video and PDF format to make setup easy for you and your customers. But I didn't just stop at templates you'll also receive. 1, a marketing guide. This book breaks down each tracker's features and benefits so you can confidently describe, market, and sell them. 2, a sales guide. This book shows you exactly where to sell your trackers, breaking down the 4 best platforms I've personally tested. 3, a packaging guide. This book gives you practical tips on how to bundle, price, and present your templates for maximum profit. 4, an upload and launch checklist guide. This book walks you through the entire upload to launch process. You'll also get a private label rights license to edit and sell these templates as your own, plus access to our private Facebook community, and you'll have direct support from me if you ever need help. Creating a digital product from scratch can be overwhelming. That's why I built this bundle to help you skip the struggle and jump straight into selling. Now let's talk money. If you price each tracker at $10 to $15 or offer bundles for $30 to $70, you'll only need 3 to 5 sales to earn back your investment. Now every sale after that, that's 100% profit in your pocket. The best part? Because these are digital products, you only need to upload the files once and the templates can sell over and over without you lifting a finger. Now here's the thing. To protect the value of this bundle and avoid oversaturation, I'll release the bundle in controlled and limited batches. Once a batch is gone, sales will close temporarily, giving early buyers the chance to set up and get ahead. So if you're seeing this while it's still live, don't wait, take action now. Click the link in my bio to grab your bundle before this batch sells out, or just type "want" in the comments and I'll send the link your way.